Snapchat new update best friend Bitmoji together. Today we're diving into the latest Snapchat update, including the new best friend Bitmoji together, AI captions, public profile changes, and more. So let's check out all the new features you need to know. First up, best friend Bitmoji together. Now, when you open your chat list, you notice that you and your best friend's Bitmoji characters appear together in one. Let me show you my best friend's chat. As you can see here, we have both of the Bitmoji's character appear together in one. It changes depending on your interactions like snapping, chatting, or even streaks. It's super fun and makes your chat list feel more personal. Next is the exciting new AI captions feature. When you take a snap, you'll see the option for AI generated caption suggestions. Snapchat AI will suggest fun and catchy captions based on what's in your snap, making it quicker and easier to post without thinking too hard. And yes, you can still edit or customize them before sending. You can find that option at the text here. You can see AI caption. Simply tap on it and AI caption will be generated, but you need the premium feature to get that. Now, once you've done that, let's see Snapchat also has public profiles. Now you can add your favorite snaps, showcase highlights, feature Bitmoji piece, and customize your bio even more. If you don't have a public profile, just go to your profile and tap on create public profile over here. It's super easy like this. Now here you can simply add snaps, send it to other people. And that's everything new in the latest Snapchat update.